Welcome back to Hidden Gems. We're going to show you the example that we walked through in the AspectAdaptor slides. So here's that application that we showed you in the slides, and let's take a look at the properties of this input field. We have the symbol or ticker, stockholder symbol, so this stockholder is going to end up being an AspectAdaptor. But I actually don't even need to create that. This syntax right here tells the application to create it. Stockholder name, stockholder sector, stockholder industry. And we can see if we open up this application, it actually starts up, but not so interesting since it doesn't have a domain that it is showing. So let's remedy that. We have a class called stock, get stocks, get the first stock. We're going to say a stock gets that. Let's inspect that. And in fact, we have a symbol, name, sector, industry, exchange. All that information is right there. So to this right here, which the name is stock app traditional new, get its stockholder, say value colon a stock to push the stock into the stockholder, and then open it up. And let's see what happens. In fact, exactly what we expect. But I told you we could dynamically change what we were seeing there. So if I say to this stock app, get its stockholder and give it a value, give it the third stock, for example, let's try that. And in fact, that's what happens. We get another stock, we push it in. But you might say, well, what's going on in this application? Let's check out the code in this application by looking right here. Click on that. All this has is an initialize that says super initialize, and the stockholder is a value holder new, and a stockholder which simply returns the stockholder. That's it. That's the code for this application. The class side simply has the window spec that we're looking at right here, and that's the entire application. Of course, we have a domain set up, and we'll go more into that in some future discussions, and we'll try to do more and more with that as we go through these examples. But that is the power of the AspectAdaptor. Any questions, please send them to Arden Thomas, athomas@syncom.com. And until next time, good luck with Smalltalk.